Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence. Tomorrow's America's birthday, July 4th. Happy birthday, America. And all you guys have served to make America free, just like me. You guys have a great day. Everybody else too. That's what America's about, right? Having a great day, even though we're going through a bunch of turmoil. But let's not talk about that. I'm here to talk about Fix-A-Fence LLC, because that's me, Fix-A-Fence LLC. This hat does mean a lot to me, and I'll probably wear it for a long time. But I'm talking about Fix-A-Fence LLC, and I'm talking about like Brandon. I'm thinking about Brandon. I'm building this brand here. And so the employees asked, said, John, why don't we have any hats? Well, we do now. So I went to Vistaprint. I emailed them the logo, uploaded the logo, and here we go. We got some hats. 10 of them, about $200, I think it was. Now they got hats. No more complaining. Just like those buttons I've been showing you guys. Buttons I give to my customers. They love them. These guys, I give these guys to the customers because they've already paid their bill. I have these buttons here that I give to the potential customer. Okay, and they even love them. I went one step further. And I got me a carrying case for all my buttons. Check that out. You know, 1 for 2, 3 for 5. You see that Donald Trump one in there? That one there? I sold 3 of them for $10 in a blue state. In a blue state, baby. I sold 3 of them for $10, but people love them, man. I've been selling them. I'd go to the Home Depot where I get a lot of my material at, and the ladies behind the desk, they love them. I give a couple of them out, you know, but I mean, I've been selling them. And so, if you guys want to buy some, let me know. 1 for $2 and 3 for $5. You guys keep smiling. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe. Keep your digits.